beats, tailored just for you. On SoundAlike, you'll find this, and this, even this, and so much more. Stop wasting time searching for the perfect beat. SoundAlike does it for you. A system you won't find anywhere else, tracking your taste and delivering beats in your style. Download all beats for free for non-profit use, or choose from 3 simple, transparent licenses with seamless upgrades built right in. Use our built-in studio to rearrange and export instrumentals, all in one place. SoundAlike is an artist ecosystem, not just a store. Publish lyrics, connect with artists. Write lyrics using RhymeFlow, our integrated, smart, multilingual writing environment that follows your song structure, highlights rhymes, counts syllables, and autofill for words and phrases. Share your texts with the SoundAlike community. Explore the global artist map, monthly featured tracks, regional chats, and collaborate on lyrics. Sync your Spotify, YouTube, Instagram, and let your profile speak. Custom orders, zero risk. Pay only when you're 100% satisfied. SoundAlike, a new kind of beat marketplace.